Welcome to my mini vlog, guys. Today I'll take you to the beautiful places of Serang, and this is the park, Serang's park, which is very beautiful to explore. It's such a beautiful spot to take pictures, videos, make reels, TikToks, and I came with my students today, so you can see the beautiful view. We took so many pictures, we took so many videos out here.
Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 오랫동안 기다려온 너는 봄이야.
That's it for today, guys. I had fun after so long. We also clicked some pictures. So bye. Thank you for watching.